Hello everyone. Today's video will be on chili powder project. So first let's explain what is chili powder. Chili powder is powder made from dry red chilies, being ground by a machine to make it soft and easy to use in cooking.
Market potential.
Chili powder is one of the basic elements in every kitchen and a very common ingredient in every recipe. The world market demand is over the year, which makes the profit of chili powder making project guaranteed. In this video we will work on answering the most important questions about this product.
Production process.
The chili powder production process is simple. We have 5 steps to get our final product. The first step is dry cleaning. In this step we clean the dust on the surface of the hot pepper, pepper leaves and raw material containing impurities. The second step is chili deseeding. It's mainly used to separate chili seed and skin, suitable for big chili. User can put complete chili directly. Separating efficiency is high. Finished chili is clean off seeds. These seeds can be packed directly. This is a necessary machine for chili further processing work. The third step is drying. If raw chili moisture content is too high, such dryer is needed. The fourth step is milling and sifting system. This system consists of milling, sifting and dust collect part. And finally packing the final product. There is a lot of packing machine contains with good design and nice structure, high speed and easy operation.
Raw materials.
In this project, the raw materials are simply red chili and the packaging materials.
Machinery.
In this production process you will need at least 2 main machines. Grinding machine, which is the most important element in chili powder manufacture. You can find this machine in different types and prices. The machine is very simple to use. All you have to do is to turn the machine on, then put red dry chili in it. This machine can also be used for many spices. And you will need also a packaging machine to package and make your own brand. After the grinding machine is done, the powder goes directly to the packaging machine.
Target customers.
Chili powder is selling to supermarkets, general stores, grocery. Also you can make profitable deals with restaurants and hotels. You can also export chili powder to many countries around the world. You can also target online market on different online stores and marketplaces. For more project ideas, please consider visiting our website www.projectsideas.net. Thank you for watching.